Sanbunan. It's Monday. It's Friday. It's Friday. it's Friday. It's Friday. So good, cool. So good, cool. I mean, come on, guys. You can't hate on Friday. Reds. I'm live. Oh, sorry. It's Friday. Sanbunan. Ich heile. Sanbunan. There's so much to discuss. There's so much to do. Hey, isonto belilide, but isonto was filled with so much. Kuningi that's been going on across umhlaba. Kuningi okwenzekayo and it continues to go on. Khona protest ezoba khona. Hopefully it works out. Yeah. 7 rand to $1. I know. Abantu bafuna ukwazi nge 7 rand to $1, man. Ubalabo Juventus. No, angibazi lapho. Yeah, abantu bafuna ukwazi nge 7 rand to $1. Kuningi that's been going on and kuningi kusazoqhubeka kuyenzeka, but ke angithi nje angifake nina mina. Ngizwe from nina ukuthi what's happening? What's on your mind? What's going on? Because kuningi mina ngingaqala mangithi 7 rand to $1. Noma ngingasho ukuthi 7 rand to $1 ngivele ngiqhamuke sengithi sengikhuluma nge-states i-Africa as a whole. There's a lot. It's a lot, and masithi soyiqala manje soyiqeda nini futhi soyiphetha nini. So angivele ngifake nina ngizwe ngani ukuthi what's next, siqalaphi siyapi with le live. So if uthi nje wena ufuna ukungena, you have something to say, you want to voice out your opinion, isikhona solalela, ngiyacela send a request ungitshela so requestile ngizobe sengiyakufaka. Because mangithi ngiyakubala mina okwenzekalayo kuningi kakhulu. And ama videos ami have been disappearing. Ma videos ami ayahamba. Yakhumbula ukuthi bekunama video engawenza awu2 ngikhuluma ngoJesu. Awasekho. Yakhumbula ukuthi ngenza ama video ngikhuluma ngoLindo. Do you remember the Lindo series that I made? Some of you ma uthi uyiphanda ngempela, then you remember the Lindo series engayenza. Apparently ayisekho nayo. So sengiyasho nje officially to everyone who's watching, ngiyasho officially ukuthi nope, ama videos ami amanye ayanyamalala, yabo. Hayi uthanyamaliliswe mina so for some reason awasekho, yabo. For some reason awasekho ama videos ami kancane, nama video wamaringi. Ngisathi ngizosho nama video wamaringi awasekho. Ma video wamaringi awasekho. Yeah. That's the current situation going on right now when it comes to me, not on my side. With some videos, some of them are nyamalala. I guess they are being pushed out because ngikhuluma iqiniso. Unenhlanhla mawuthi now. And yeah, if you don't have them anymore, it's okay. I tried. Uzowathola ku YouTube wami, uzobathola ku Facebook wami, uzobathola ku Instagram wami. Ngiyatholakala. All you have to do is ubhale lapho ukuthi 0. Ngizovela. Yabo. That's me. Again, ngifaka abantu. Tell me to request it. Ngizobe sengiyakufaka. I-live isandaqala, ayikakabi ne-foundation. We are still trying to figure out izinto ukuthi where to from here, you know. Ngiyabonga for the gift. Yeah, we're still trying to figure out where to from here. What's the next step? Hopefully ngizokwazi ukuthola abantu, faka abantu. We conversate with abantu. We try to find solutions with abantu. Yeah. Okay. It's fine. My content ngivulile la ngisafuna uqala ngidile na. Any topics? Does anyone have a topic? Anyone wants ukuthi ngifake? Jane. Who's Jane now? It's a lot. Ngisaqalaza. I'm sorry, unganaki. Konke ngisayibheka la. Okay. Ba manje upapela. There are people abaloku bengi-requesta manje ngifuna ukubona lana usuba labo. Upapelo. Abantu abaloku bengi-requesta manje ngifuna ukubona usuba. No, isitha. Ngeke. But-ke kuningi that's been going on, okay? Singayivula i-screen sami ukuthi ngibone 7 rand 17 November protest, okay? Imagine if all followers can contribute a strong. Okay, ngiyanibona ngifunda ama-comments eni manje ziyakhala. Bible is true. Bible. Should we talk about the Bible? Should we discuss the Bible? Nah. Because the Bible, that's so complicated. The origins of whites. The origins of whites. I like that. Cryptocurrency. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. Kancane. 7 rands to $1. Amaringi. Uphi umchito. Uphi umchito lo kuthiwa is gone. Ngiyanifaka manje. Send a request. Ngiyanifaka manje, send a request siqale manje siqale live phela singabe sithatha isikhathi eside uqale live. Sesahlela uqale live, come on. There's a lot to talk about, there's a lot to unpack. Obekwenzeka eSouth Africa itself. Sibhlungu about what happened to the Dlamini family, about ingane eziwu-2 yabo ibhlungu yanto le. Sibhlungu ngabo. A lot's been going on, a lot continues to happen. We just here trying to find solutions to izinto. I don't know. Hopefully protest is usiza because there has been a protest and hopefully bazokwazi abantu ukuthi bakhanyiseleke on what's next. Yabo. Yeah, ngicela unifaka manje. Let's see uba urequestile. Ngeke smile. Ufunani la? Nani? What's wrong? We are. You're not welcome here, wena. You're not welcome here, wena. You're not one of us.
Wait.
You're an enemy.
No,
you are an
Zero.
agent, wena.
No, Zero. I think you should be fair.
Fengani,
No, Zero, I
wena.
think
When
you
you're
should
not
be fair.
welcome, fair for what, my brother? Fair for what? You're not welcome
No,
here.
but Zero. No, Zero.
You're an
I think
agent. You're a
we should
deceiver.
embrace Zero. I think we should embrace each other. The DA is going to take over. And we should
Nango, the
all.
DA is gonna take. Nango, usuqalile-ke. The DA is gonna take over. Yini lezo take over DA. Hey,
No, but
ugcwele isitha.
Zero.
The enemy is always kwi-live yami. The enemy is always kwi-live. Ufunani? Just khuluma.
Yeah, to
Speak.
all the people on the panel, ngifuna ukuthi, guys, let's please go out in our numbers and vote for the DA, for the Democratic
Aye,
Alliance.
no.
The
Ngesiyenze leyo
DA,
nto. We do not vote for the DA. Don't
the
vote for the DA.
DA is the only political party that's going to help and solve black people's problems.
Yazini.
Phambili
Bye. Bye. Ngikhathele. Everyone requestile enemy manje. Everyone igcwele isitha amabhuna belungu igcwele. Yini leyana ubalo yothi sivotela iDA. Ngimbuyise ngenze njani? Abuye ayibike kuthini. Ngicabanga imagine uzotshena thini sasivote ngeDA. Usho ukuthi is he telling us ukuthi sasivote iDA? Hayi ngeke akabuyi. No, yazini akabuyi. Asimnike ithuba, asimlalele. Let's listen to whatever he has to say, ne? Kodwa manje uyasijwaye uza la ku-platform yethu usitshela asivotele iDA. Cabanga. Ngazinganyane. Sis man. Sis. Angimbuyisa. Let him come back. Come back wena. Come back. Uphi. Wait. Bringing him back. Gonna give him a chance. Hey, let's see.
Hawu, Zero, kwenzakalani?
UDA uyilahle ukuthi sivotele iDA. That's where you lost it, my brother. You lost all of us ngeDA. Why? Yini DA yini?
Zero. South Africa is going to the FIFA World Cup. Who was our coach? Was our head coach umuntu omnyama?
Who are the players?
Or was
Who are
our
the
coach-
players? Not the coach.
No, but the coach took us to the FIFA World Cup. So no, Zero, this thing of us hating Abelungu, it must come to an end. Abelungu
We hate
are
them, but
our
we hate
people.
them. Not our people. They are not one of us.
No.
They are not one of us.
Zero. I love Abelungu. Me as a black person.
Robert,
I love
Robert.
Abelungu. I
What's in it?
love them. I love them.
Why? No.
I love Abelungu.
You don't say that here. You do not say that, la. You can't say that, la.
No, Zero. Zero, you know, for the first time in over 21 years, Tina as South Africa, we are going to play in the FIFA World Cup and we're going to play against France. We're going to play against Brazil, our very own Bafana Bafana. Because of who? Because of a white man. A white man took us to the FIFA Soccer World Cup.
A white
So,
man, you see, it's
Tina-
our enemy.
No, but Zero, you can't do that. You cannot do that, Zero. Zero,
Ngiyalingwa.
why can't we love each other?
Ngiyalingwa,
Why can't we love each other? Black,
Ngiyalingwa,
white, colors, and Indians. Why can't we come together? What's
Come
wrong,
together for
Zero?
what? Come together. There's no more Rainbow Nation now. We are done with the Rainbow Nation. We want back our land.
Zero.
We want back our resources. It's time for the black individual to become excellent in this country. Uthini wena? Yini? One of us who fought.
Okay, Zero, can I ask you a question? Brian Mokgotsi, Kat Matlala, are those black people or white people? Please answer that question.
There you go again, shifting the blame as if you can ever blame the black individual. We are the victims. I understand. Who are you?
Brian
Who
Mokgotsi
are
is a
you?
victim.
Who are you to
Brian
say
Mokgotsi
that?
is a victim.
We are the
Kat
victims.
Matlala is a victim.
We are the victims. And abantu abamnyama.
How?
You see, it's the people that you worship so much. They stole everything from the black community. What are you saying, Gwen? What
Zero,
are you saying? We have nothing
Zero,
because of
okay.
them. When Uti, let's vote them into power. Don't you remember what happened with apartheid? Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten the tears, the pain? Hayi bunge, ngiyalingwa, Jesus. What are you saying?
Zero, I want to ask you a question. It says, is this person a black person? Because it says, notorious ANC lockdown flounder elected as mayor of the Eastern Cape. Here's another one.
My brother, you don't understand. Maybe I'm the problem for not
It says,
explaining lento kahle.
Newcastle. Wait, Zero. Here it says, Newcastle mayor arrested in connection with political unalivings. Is that a black person or is that a white
Ngiyalingwa,
person?
mdala.
What color are they? Zero.
Ngiyalingwa.
What
What
color
color
are
are
they? Zero?
you? What color are you to be blaming umuntu omnyama? What color are you? Ngiyalingwa mdala. Ngiyalingwa. Don't you understand? Don't you understand the system? Don't you understand the corruption? Don't you understand what's been going on since the very beginning? Right now, every single article that you're showing njengamanje is making sure ukuthi it degrades the black community, making sure it makes us look bad. But when they
Zero
do
how?
corruption, when they
Zero.
steal, when they unalive, we are by a protector. Go bring up an article that mentions bona, that degrades their name, that makes sure ukuthi bona they are seen as bad people. Ngeke uyithole, because the system
Zero.
was always meant to protect them. That's why.
Zero. Let me tell you something. Here's another article. It says Newcastle municipality mayor and ANC member Mtukutu Mahlaba is said to continue his duties despite facing criminal charges. A mayor facing criminal charges. And when you are here, protecting him, a criminal, a black criminal, criminal wemuntu omnyama, and you are here
You're blaming the black
fighting
community.
and defending him, defending
You're
a
blaming-
criminal, a black
You-
Mundomnyama criminal. How could you
You're
do
blaming
that,
the black-
Zero?
Ngiyalingwa mdala. Ngiyalingwa Nkosi yami. Ngiyalingwa. Mnisi, bhuti umnisi, sawubona. Ngiyalingwa.
Sawona Zero kunjani?
Nakonakala. Angazi umzwile what do you have to say yo.
Rhodes, ungasitsheli nge-DA. I-DA isenzeleni. Isenzeleni isize bani kuphi? Ungasitsheli lento ositshela yona. Uyasikwatisa. We as the black people we are suffering. We are suffering. Woze emalokishini ubone ukuthi siphila kanjani. The government is failing us. It's failing us. Emalokishini sihlala ezindlini ezisondelene because bebane agenda yabo labantu laba. Hamba ema-town. Labantu laba basuka le ema-England banemihlaba la. Iy'tani zabo azilingani ney'tani zabantu abamnyama. So don't tell us what you're telling us. Awusitsheli lokho. You don't know.
Nisibidi, awusitsheni logo.
Awusitsheli lokho.
Ngeke mkhulu, ngeke baba, ngeke.
Every time umuntu omnyama makazama ukuphakama niyamsilenza nina uzositshela ngabo DA ukuthi DA ikwenzeleni wena ikwenzeleni woze lokishini ubone ukuthi abantu baphila kanjani yabona wena bhuti wami wona Zero if abantu could understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama uye ophila kanzima ukudlula umlungu abazi ukuthi ukuhlupheka is more expensive. Akusinoma ubani ongabekezelela inhlupheko. Akusinoma ubani. So bangazositshela lento angasitshela yona. Abeze ikoleni zethu si overcrowded ikoleni zethu. We are overcrowded. Isenzeleni leyo DA yakho wena. Isenzeleni.
Le uthi asivotele. Asimlalele, isenzeleni le DA yakho. What has it done for us?
Mona easy. Well, first of all, that picture over there are houses that the DA has built for people in Cape Town. That's number one. Number two, the DA has built roads for people. Number three, the DA, the top 10 best municipalities in South Africa belong to the DA. The DA is not corrupt like the ANC. The DA is not corrupt like all these other political parties. The DA has put South Africa on the map.
No.
What has Tina Abantu Bamnyama? What have you done for the country?
What
have you done for the country?
Would Moshengo to have an answer? Awumphendula. What have you done? Umtomnyama. How it is?
Sanibonani madoda.
Yebo.
Brazil.
Butomdala.
Inkinga yabona manje ukuthi like South Africa manje iyasinka manje yabo. And we cannot trust the ANC manje according to thina abantu abalandela indaba. We cannot nje trust the ANC. As nanibona bafethu from kuma la indabeni eParliament into enjalo ukuthi like ubugebengu bafethu into yaqala kudala le akusinto yaqala manje. Actually bafethu so wena Brazil ngicela ukubuza umbuzo because of wena most of the time wena mwenza ama video wakho la ungathi unelwazi kakhulu. Wena ke manje ayiphi wona ipolitical party ongathi wena manje ungayibeka esitulweni manje ifike irule South Africa ngendlela right?
Obvious, DA, Democratic Alliance, obvious.
Ngiyalingwa namhlanje. Namhlanje ngeke. I-DA
Brazil ngitshele ke wena.
Hayibo ngiyalingwa Jesu. Abongile. Yo, sawubona. Ngiyalingwa namhlanje. Ngenzi live ngesikhathi esiro I did it live on
Wait, Zero, tell me something. Madanga Commission. Usenzo Mqulu was committing corruption with this man, Usenzo Mqulu and Kat Matlala. They said that they gave this man millions of rands. What do you have to say about that? This is ANC. This is Umuntomnyama. Explain, Zero. What do you have to say for yourself? Zero, why do you like protecting criminality? Yeah.
We are I'm not protecting anyone. I'm just making it sure ukuthi you understand ukuthi stop fighting the battle and fight the war. The war is us versus them because they own everything la in South Africa. Right now, let's focus on what is important, which is to make sure that Nyama gets back what rightfully belongs to them. When you don't understand that, you don't understand it because when short sighted, you focus more on the battle and you forget the war. You forget the pain, you forget the struggle, you forget the blood, you forget everything that Nyama has gone through. Why? Why are you like this? Why
Zero.
Benji?
Umuntu omnyama. Bona umuntu omnyama wenzani. Umuntu omnyama. They burn, they destroy. Umuntu omnyama, they break everything. Umuntu omnyama doesn't bow. Everywhere that umuntu omnyama goes, umuntu omnyama is followed by nothing but destruction. Nothing but chaos. Umuntu omnyama. Why do you do that, Zero? Why can't we, as Abantu Bamnyama, be better? Why can't we, as Abantu Bamnyama, improve? Why can't we, as Abantu Bamnyama, learn from the white man and actually improve
from the white
our
man.
living conditions?
Did I hear you right? Did you say learn from the white man? Everyone, my comments, please. Simzwili. Did we hear you correctly? You say learn from the white man. What can we learn from them? What can we learn from them?
Zero. CEO Tebogo Maloka suspended after 836 million tender scandal. 800 million.
Stop. Just give it. Eyibu ngiyalingwa namhlanje. Buthi omdala. Sawubona. Yo. Uyithini le ndaba le? Uyithini lo mbhemu lo lensizwa?
uRods usabuya nalezi inkinga zakhe lo ungwephe yena seshonephi ngoba phela abantu abakhuluma into engayindawo.
Imsangano into engayindawo and akashintshi udinga iyalo angazi kumele umqale uma uthi uyamyala.
So ngeke kumenze lutho umuntu oselimele emqondweni. Yabo because noma athi uzama kanjani ukumbonisa yena oqala nje mangathiwa siyambuza ungaqala ukucomparisha phela yabo nje ama-white maybe around 11% la eSouth Africa. So ungacomparisa umuntu omnyama nomuntu omhlophe ezweni lomuntu omnyama. And the worst part ukufika komuntu omhlophe kulelizwe akafikanga nje ngokuthi wayezovakasha, wafika ngokuthi wayebona ukuthi ni lo mnotho ucebile, so yena kumele enze iplan ukuthi ni awubuse futhi athola ama resources akhona ngendlela erayo. So nje uRods
Mpumi, qala khuluma buti. Yazi, I'm tired of every time when there's a person of our own doing something wrong, you guys don't say anything. You protect them. Here we have Umuntu, 800 million, one person, and you guys are not saying anything. You guys are not saying anything. 800 million. You're not saying anything. You are quiet. You are quiet. You must be ashamed of yourselves. You must be ashamed of yourselves. Why do you do that? Yeah? Haibo. You are voting for corruption. You are supporting corruption. You are embracing the destruction of Umuntu Omnyama. It's people like you who support these ones who destroy our communities. Why wenza njalo?
Why senzenjalo?
Eqinisweni mfowethu masifuna ukuya phambili abantu abanjengawo asibadinga eduze nathi because wena ulimele emqondweni and manje nazo ufuna nathi sibone ngale ndlela obona ngayo because yabo nje mawuzothatha ubhekisisa kahle kuye kwa interviewer ubani uJohn Ruwen yazi bembuza ukuthi mangathiwa yena uba semanje ungenze njani ngoEskom uthi ufuna ukuprivatize then umuntu ozoprivatize into esidingo nqangi kwena lowo muntu unenhloso ezihle ngawo because nje one last thing yabo nje ngizokwenzela example umuntu omnyama engafika asebenzele umlungu isikhathi esimore than 10 to 20 years yes kodwa umlungu will always prefer ukuhlala nenja yakhe phambili umuntu omsebenzela ahlale ngemuva then bese uzothi lowo muntu loyo embrace up ukuthi akuphathe
right and akayiboni lento yabo kuyena abelungu angazi bayigugu ubathanda angazi ngenye indlela nje hibu la umuntu
kune video eyayitrenda umuntu omnyama bemfaka kwicoffin uthini ngaleyo nto leyo wena
uyithini lento wereds umuntu omnyama bemfaka kwicoffin uyithini leyo wathula akanayo response
yazi that person who was put in a coffin. That person who was put in a coffin.
Yo.
So the question is, what did he do to end up being in that situation? What did he do? Was he stealing? Was he trying to steal money? What was he doing for him to be in that situation? Let's ask ourselves that question.
Let me tell you. I'll understand the impact Salento show. Yes. Muntu was trying to get home. And then he passed through Iwe, Ekdlula Kona. Everyone passes there. Yes.
Unfortunately, he was trespassing.
Bro, okay.
He was trespassing on another person's land.
There's no such thing, especially if you're a black person who name melanin. There is no such thing as trespassing. It's our land. You know, I understand.
Zero. That land, there's no such thing. That land was bought by Abelungu. And Abelungu, they took that land and they built farms. They are feeding us. They are giving us food. Abelungu are doing such a great job on the land. Zero. I think
so. He deserved to file coffin. No.
I think you are jealous.
He deserves it. So you're saying he deserved to be put in a coffin? Say it, Siglalel. Do you think he deserved
he was trespassing? Zero. If somebody came in my house, without my invitation, I would also put them in a coffin. That's my house. What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
Sengifisa lo kwenzeke kuwena yazi. Usobona ukuthi ufila kanjani ngalo.
You know ukuthi baze bamnchamela they peed on him whilst he was in the coffin, right? You know that, right, Reds? You know they took videos.
Zero.
He deserved yonke.
Why are black people stepping on other people's land? Why are black people trespassing? Like, are black people okay? Are black people okay?
Who did they buy the land from? Because they stole the land, Reds.
They never stole the Iqiniso is that black people and white people fought. When they fought, black people lost. In fact, white people kicked black people's asses and black people were the losers. And black people took the land. That land was taken fair and square.
Fair and square. Ndlovukazi. Sawubona.
Hi Putunjan.
Ngiyaphila nakukonakala awumkhuzi.
Awunye ngalesiphukuphuku esingayazi imvelaphi yomuntu omnyama. Urez wachathwa belungu impilo yakhe yonke. Yabona, when a child is born on a silver spoon in his mouth, with a silver spoon in his mouth, that's Rez. Urez akazinix. Urez doesn't know the pain our forefathers carry in their graves. No white man has ever bought anything in this land. If he knows that, no white man bought anything. White men came as visitors, as explorers. Babona umcebo, babona ama minerals They never left. Yizahluleki ezashiyo ezahamba eBritain sezibona ukuthi kuchange ama rules eBritain. Those were the failures. Igebengu ezinkulu zaseBritain lezi nase UK. Igebengu ezazi inventor something to destroy other people. So urez ukhona lo osephaketheni lakhe amworshiphayo, he will never make sense ngomuntu omnyama. No, I'm talking. Wait, I'm talking. Shut up, because you know nothing about a black person. If a white man, we have something to learn from a white man, Soweto wouldn't exist. Sandton will be for every black person, because our grandmothers were moved from that place that is Sandton today. Soweto wouldn't exist. They would have given our grandmothers big homes, big yards, a lavish lifestyle, and fair opportunities like they have. Even in universities, black people are made to take ama courses. Abaziyo ukuthi it will be clustered. No black child will graduate and go to work. While they take courses that they know ukuthi it will be only them who work in finances, who work in lavish places, who work in upper standards. To avoid ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama mele sigcwale ku teaching, sigcwale ku nursing, sigcwale kuzo zonke lezo zinto lezo. That was the rule, the system that the white people created for black people. So when angazi mawuloku khuluma lokhu sitshela nge-DA are the worst criminals ever to happen in South Africa. I-DA yakho yizigebengu ezakha ama-building eCape Town. You can go to Cape Town and research what I'm saying right now. ECape Town kwakhiwa ama-building butwami angasebenzi, so that they can smooch imali estate. When those buildings are asked ukuthi awokwenzani, ba creator anything that is to create. They even forged documents that white people were killed by black people. Which black people kills a white man? Because in Pretoria, not so long ago, a 19-year-old boy wafika nemoto wadubula abantwana babantu. No one said anything. Kids in KZN were fit to dogs.
Exactly.
They were ran over by cars. Nobody said anything. Ladies were raped and killed by a man and his son. Nobody said anything. One murder from a white man, all of a sudden it's a genocide. I resustroyela masimba wena. When we are stroyela wena nenzo ukuthi sithulila squad. When we are there's no race that is so peaceful like black people. Abantu abamnyama mangaphuma kithi nathi siyaphuma kini. Ukuthi niyasijwayela nithanda ukuexperimenta ngathi wena nabo malume bakho laba babomvu nezibomvu. Nithanda ukuexperimenta ngomuntu omnyama nicabanga ukuthi sidom ngoba sithulile. Asithulanga bhutwami, asithulanga. Ungasinyatsi. Yabona makungakwata umuntu omnyama, iWorld War 3 bazoyazi ukuthi into enjani. Le yenzeke eGaza it's nothing. Ithi umuntu omnyama athi sesikunyanyile manje uzobona. Thank you bhutwami.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do you have anything to say before saying Ngwape? I'm sure Ngwape also wants to tear you down. I'm sure he wants to tear you down.
Yeah, ngikuzwile uthi usisi ukhulume eCape Town. I want to ask a few questions. Mr. Ngwepe, do you live in Cape Town, sir?
Tear him down, Mr. Ngwape. Tear him down. This racist.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you live in Cape Town?
The most beautiful city in the world, sir. Not just in Africa.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, Cape Town is beautiful. Really, Mr. Ngwepe?
Yes. It has
so,
won
Mr. Ngwepe.
Pay kwakhe, Mr. Ngwepe. Pay kwakhe. Yes.
Yeah, so Mr. Ngwepe Ati, Cape Town is beautiful. So, Mr. Ngwepe, are there white people in Cape Town?
Plenty, sir.
And Mr. Ngwepe, if you had a decision, would you live in a place that has a lot of black people or a lot of white people? Because me, I don't want to live where there's a lot of black people. I don't want to live there.
Yeah,
where do you want to live, Mr. Ngwepe?
Where is this going?
That's a very good question. I think I value my safety, so I will stick with the whites.
What do you mean, Emma? No, wait. What do you mean, Mount? You value your safety, you're gonna stick with the whites?
Because
what are you saying?
Because black people are.
I don't want to stay with the Lawrence. I don't want to stay with the Mnisi. I don't want to stay with the 50 people being unalive. Wait, people being unalived in Joburg, people being
Another
unalived
sellouts,
in Durban.
another sellouts, another
Wait,
agent,
so
another agent.
I want to be safe. I don't want to stay with the gangsters. I don't want to stay with the unalivers. I don't want to stay
Ngiyalingwa
with.
namhlanje.
I don't. I'm so sorry, Mr. Zero.
The gangsters.
Yes.
Who are the gangsters, my? Who
I
are
don't
the
want to
gangsters,
stay
my
with.
brother?
I don't
No,
want
who
to
are the
stay with
gangsters?
Yabona
Who are the
you
gangsters?
guys, the blacks.
You guys, what do you mean, Mouty? You guys, Emma, enlighten us. What do you mean, Mouty? You guys?
You
Who's you
blacks.
guys?
Do you want to stay with the people who unalive women? Answer my question. Do you want to stay with the people who unalive women?
Ngiyalingwa namhlanje.
No. Answer my question, my brother. Do you want to stay with the people who unalive women?
you guys are
Mr. Red,
racist.
do you want to stay with the people who unalive women?
Never.
Ngiyalingwa
I
namhlanje.
don't want to stay. You know, Mr. Ngwepe, two girls were
You guys are
unalived.
racist.
Nah? And, you know, Mr. Ngwepe, two girls were unalived by a black man. I don't want to stay around black people. Black people are dangerous. Black people are violent. I don't want to stay there. I want to be safe. I wanna breathe fresh air. I wanna, you know, when I walk outside, I wanna hear birds singing. I don't want to hear gunshots. I don't want to hear people protesting.
So
I
you
don't
mean
want to
Nima?
live near
No,
black
no.
people.
So when you're saying Uguti living with the blacks, you won't hear any birds chirping. You won't hear any.
Do you
You
wanna
feel you don't
wanna
feel
know what you're
safe.
gonna hear? Do you wanna know what you're gonna hear?
What are we gonna hear, my brother? Utin, what are you saying? What is pa? What is pa? What is pa? No, we are
Gunshot.
listening.
Gunshot. Yes. You're gonna hear help! Sizanibo! Whoa! Sizanibo!
Reds, please remove the image. Please remove the image. The live is gonna get cancelled. Gang.
I don't want to stay with people who say Sizanibo! Ntushen! No, I don't want that. I want peace. I want good morning.
You guys, you
Mr.
are
Manje
Zero,
racist.
I
ayikho
want-
peace with black people. Ayikho peace nabantu abamnyama.
No,
That's what you're saying.
ikhona ipeace umlazi. Ikhona peace Alexander. Ikhona peace Mamelodi. Ikhona peace eSoweto.
Cape Flats,
Ikhona peace ePhilippi.
Alexandra.
No, guys. Peace is there, Camps Bay, Waterkloof, Sentinel.
You know, Mr. Ngwepe, you know,
Masquerade.
let me tell you something. In white communities, where white people live, they even celebrate Halloween, trick or treat, and kids go from house to house and they celebrate, and kids are safe. Mr. Ngwepe, would you allow your children to play in Soweto and Khayelitsha around black people?
They practice Halloween every single day. I mean, with your phone, you are not even allowed to buy your iPhone 17 Pro Max in Soweto because it will go missing. Do you know that even when you stay in Soweto, you go to the bank and you ask for a loan, you're going to pay a lot of money? Do you know why? Because your life is not guaranteed. So the bank will charge you more interest because you're more likely to be unalived. So it's a lose business for them.
Yeah, you know, Mr. Ngwepe, whenever we speak about these things, Zero doesn't like telling the truth. You know, he wants us.
You guys hate black people
No, we love them.
because
That's why
you don't understand. We suffer from systemic racism. We
No.
suffer from a huge number of our people are illiterates. A
No.
huge number of our people are under the system. It will take a while for us to grow. And Nina, you don't want to help us grow. You don't want us to better the black community. Naloko, you choose to run away from us. You are the kind
No.
of people that Uma Kungenimal, whenever you get that huge lump sum of money, you will leave the hood and you will not try to fix the hood.
No,
the
you can't
community.
fix people who are oppressed by their minds. You can't, bruh. Ask Malcolm, he will tell you what happened to him. Ask a lot of leaders in the ANC who wanted to liberate. They were betrayed. A black person that you are trying to liberate so much, Mr. Zero, will kick your ass. Will put a bullet in your fucking stomach. Do you understand that? Easy peasy. Easy peasy. You can never, ever in your lifetime as a man liberate a person who believes that he is oppressed. You can't do that. It's impossible. Go to America, go to England, go to South Africa, go. I mean, the Zimbabweans said that they can do it without the white people. They said they are good. Money is land is wealth. You know? And they kicked out the white people, Mr. Zero. After 5 years, then the very same Zimbabweans went out to the white countries. They came to South Africa for the white people. They went to England for the white people. They went to Australia for the white people. They went to Canada for the white people. Why don't they go to Nigeria if they believe a good umuntu omnyama is superior, umuntu omnyama can achieve anything? They can't. That's a fact.
Sanibona.
But
Anime nje, anime. Sanibonani sanibongena. Sokubona sis. Ngiyalingwa namhlanje ngiqalila ngosuku lonke.
guys, yes, I'm so disappointed ukuthi you are black. Thina before belungu badominate ba introduce everything ekhona njengamanje. Besilala egcekeni makuthiwa kuyashisa because there was no criminal. Now there is a criminal because white people planted that criminals. Yo.
Thank you.
I'm so disappointed.
you.
Shame.
So, my sister, you believe that guy from
This is the way they created.
My sister, are you saying that guy from Mamelodi must not be arrested because the consequences?
Angifiswa ukuthi kuthiwa ngiyi-generation yenu. You prefer isitha more than abantu bakini. Ibingekho yonke lento before abelungu base badominate to a country.
I'm not black.
If you ulandele history ya Mandela, you can see ukuthi vele baze bathi bethi bamfaka uMandela as a president. They already bamneza umbuso kodwa kaze bamnika imali yakhe back. Apha amadamo nethi lahleli ko-America. La fana babelonga kuthina ofana bese siyawabuka ahleli as i-generation yethu izoyibuka ingoba babona ukuthi ayisifanele kodwa nithi you prefer white guys. Yo.
I mean, sister, you are using a pretty much beautiful phone that was built by the whites. We are talking on a TikTok that was built by the black people.
Don't talk nonsense about the whites.
Look at us.
Guys,
now we can communicate, Mr. Zero.
You guys found the wrong platform.
Everything you can call them criminals, okay?
Yeah,
it's
what
fine.
have you done?
But you remember, you prostate over Uzoma because you understand what he have said, not what happened. You never listen what his side of the story, but because you wanted to put that Zuma just eat the money. That's what was on your head, but you never see what happened before. Aye.
Sawubona
Sure, when you act according to.
akezwa lo abezwa
Just
ngoba
know
uthini
both sides. Go deeper if you know you want to come with the information, not just telling us izinto oyilalelayo. Search on your side to find out what is really happening. Ulokhu disappointed umchunu, mhlawumbe behind umchunu there is somebody who's bigger than anyone.
uzophi they will deny it sawubona
Why don't
manje
you as a
Can I ask a question? Yeah, can I ask a question?
ubuzani what is
njengamanje lama criminal enikhuluma ngawo
Yeah.
badla ama-drugs, they're not normal. Badla ama-drugs, where the drugs
Yeah.
come from?
They are black.
Where
I
the
want to
drugs
ask a
come
question.
from?
So-
Where
They are
the
black.
drugs come
Yeah,
from?
my-
Yes, they are
From the
black.
black.
Where the
My
drugs
question-
come
From the
Yeah,
ancient
my
history, you
question
guys have been
is-
smoking pop. You've been smoking pop in the 1800s. While the white people were
Tuwa
inventing,
siya-
your forefathers has been
Yeah.
smoking pop.
no
throughout the
no
world.
Mr. Wepe.
Thulan
Wait, can I ask a question to Mr. Ngwepe?
wait yes
Yazi into emnandi ukuthi
Yeah.
thina this generation we know exactly what a white person is and we won't tolerate that. Let me tell you something. Before the white man came here, we had no jails to prove we had peace and order. We had no jails. We were abantu ruled by Ubuntu. No one was killing anyone here. It is you. It is your mindset that is full of in nonsense. It's you who are savages. It is not us. It is you who came with a foreign system called government systems. Before that, we had traditional African systems that were ours, that we lived by, that we understood, that were more like an easy thing for us. But you came with the government systems that you guys understand. It's your game. Even if we vote for ANC or who, we are living under white supremacy. It's your game. The people are up there, are the one who are controlling the game. It doesn't matter. The people you see, the people here, the ones you're talking about, Thabo Zuma, the people you think are corrupt, they get orders up there from the puppet master.
So are you staying in Makaya or you're staying in the city, my sister?
It doesn't matter where I
No,
stay.
answer
I'm
my
just telling
question.
you.
Answer my question.
When I'm
No,
when
tell me.
Wape, you
No,
denied. You said you're not
Mr. Zero,
black.
Mr.
Hey,
Zero, do you
go
have
Wape,
the
you said you're
benefit?
not
have to
black.
answer your
Wape.
question,
Go
Wape.
straight
Answer
to
the
the question.
question. Answer my
Don't
No, she
question.
Wape,
doesn't have to
Yeah,
answer
it's
your
fine.
question.
Answer
Just
my
to
question.
Wape, you
put
said
your
you're not
I
narrative.
black.
stay Makaya, so
Yeah.
what? So
Uhlala
what?
emakhaya or uhlala
Okay, guys, it's okay.
edolobheni?
Mr.
I stay
Ngwepe,
in
Mr.
Makaya,
Ngwepe,
and then
wait.
what?
It's
If
fine.
uhlala
Mr.
emakhaya,
Ngwepe,
then
can
why
I
are
ask
you
Mr. Ngwepe
complaining
a
about
question?
white supremacy? Because you can have your own food there by yourself without
Oh
white
I
God,
do.
supremacy.
I
Wape,
do
you said you're
myself.
not black.
I have my
Wape
garden,
Zero.
said he's
so
not black.
Then if
Wape
you're
said
your
he's not
garden,
black.
then why are you
Zero,
complaining?
these guys are just rage baiting you.
There is no rage baiting, yes,
Nabantu
brother.
Trust
Answer
me,
No,
my
these
question.
guys are
we're
rage
having a
baiting you.
conversation.
they're
There's no
No,
rage
These
promoting
we're
guys
baiting.
having
are
a conversation.
these guys are totally
No, we are
stupid.
We
talking.
are having a
There's
conversation.
nothing a white
Wape,
person,
Ayaba,
We're
I
having a
don't deserve your
conversation.
time. Yaba.
is.
These guys are rage baiting you,
Ni
Zero.
racist nina.
No one is rage baiting here. Answer my question, Sia.
No,
Are
you
you
just
playing in
Mr.
the
no.
Ngwepe,
town or you
can I
No,
staying
ask
there's
in
no
Ngwepe a
need
Makaya?
for them to
question?
answer your question because he's totally stupid, my
It's
guy.
fine.
Answer the
Totally
question.
It's fine,
stupid.
Sia.
Both you
Yeah,
and
Sia,
So
Red
it's
you
are
fine.
can't
lying.
answer stupid
Wow.
questions and you call yourself a clever person?
Nina, I'm a clever
Can I
black.
ask a
Nina,
question?
stupid questions. With your
Let me
stupid
ask you a
questions,
simple
Nina.
question.
Yeah.
Answer
Let me
my
ask
Can
you,
I ask a
question. Are
is
you
question,
playing
Sia?
in the
equality
Wait,
town
of
or
wait.
you're
Cape
staying
Town?
in Makaya?
Can
Is the
I
city
ask?
of Cape Town equal to Khayelitsha?
Yes, I know. Can answer my question first.
My guy, is the whole of Western Cape
I'm not
equal?
going to answer your question if you don't answer mine. I'm not stupid, bro.
You're totally stupid because you've been not
I'm
answering
stupid. I'm
the
stupid.
questions
Why?
that have been asked
Totally
to you.
stupid.
Yeah, so
Zonke, we
answer my
agree. You're
question.
stupid.
Answer my question first.
Nitsini.
Now
No,
proceed.
Nitsini in my comments.
your question is null and void, my guy. Your
Then
question
so,
is very
It's
null and void.
stupid. Putisia,
It's very
ungasabi umtshela
unnecessary, my
Your
guy.
question is stupid.
You
Your
are
question
rage
is
baiting
stupid.
these people.
Mr.
You're
Sia, as
acting
a
like you
man,
don't know
you
what
should
really happened. You acting like you don't know what's happening here in South Africa.
brother, I don't care about what you're
No,
going through. Everybody goes
I'm
through
not
that
your
shit.
brother. For the mere fact that you said you're not black, I'm not your brother, my guy.
So
You're
every black
still
person is your
totally
brother.
stupid.
Every black person is your brother.
I thought
Yeah,
Mr. Wape, you
let
said
him
you're
just
not black.
leave this guy.
Black
He's
people are not,
really he's
black
race
people are
baiting.
not the
You
same.
are
I'm
rage
not like
baiting these
Zimbabweans.
people.
Uthe
No,
you
my
are not
guy,
black.
stop
not
telling
like
Did
me
he
Zulu.
or did he not say he's not black? Did
Yes,
he
I
or
Who
did
don't
he
said
know.
not
that?
say
Who
he's
said
not
that?
I
He
black?
heard
said
you.
he's not black.
Singzwile,
I'm not black.
Uspiga, Singzwile.
Because
I
I
heard
don't
you. You
have
said
the
you're not
black
black.
heart.
Two.
I don't have the
He's
black
not
heart.
blank. He's a pig skin.
Yeah, I don't have the black heart.
As for Reds, you can try and push whatever narrative that you're trying to push with changing your pictures, but deep down you know what's happening. You're doing that for a reason, and
Are you
with your
black, Sia?
Can I ask Mr. Ngwepe?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, can I ask Mr. Ngwepe a question?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ngwepe, Miss Demazana, she spoke about how black people used to live before the colonizers came. Né?
Yeah.
And Mr. Ngwepe, my question is, if you had a choice, would you choose to live the way that our ancestors live, or the way that we live right now in a city that's built by white people in Cape Town?
Don't
Would you
ask
choose
him.
Cape Town?
Ask
or
me.
would you
Ask
leave?
me.
Ask
No,
me.
No, I'm
this is
Ask
asking
my
me.
I'm
question.
asking Wepe.
Ask me.
I'm asking Mr. Wepe. I'm asking Wepe.
Obviously,
I
listen.
spoke about
I'm
that.
asking
I
is going
spoke
to
Wepe.
about
answer
that. I
to
No,
spoke
I'm
each.
about
asking
that.
Wepe.
I spoke
No.
about that.
Relax, guys.
I raised
Wait.
Can
that.
I?
I raised
No,
that.
I'm not.
Have you
No,
realized that most of the
Guys, be
no.
quiet. We're gonna give you a chance to talk, okay? Fine. Let me answer the question.
Exactly.
Mr. Red, I
Yes.
was supposed to stay
Yes.
in the beautiful city of Cape Town, and the majority of South Africans go to Cape Town to visit. Do you know why? Because they know that Cape Town is beautiful. I don't want to live like my ancestors because every
Who's
time
benefiting in Cape Town? Is it black people or white people?
Bro, hambala, bro. Ay, ngingacikeka. Ha. Uthi he's not
Right.
black.
Coming back to
Guys,
the topic of Cape
guys,
Town.
if
Who's
a white
benefiting between black people and white people?
guys, if a
In
white
Cape Town.
person did not come here, we would have still progressed. Let me tell you something. African people, their power, our power was in nature and in spirituality. We are people who never use the phones, but who will communicate. How? Telepathically. We would have progressed. You see the thing they brought here called it civilization. It's what it's a poison. There's nothing good brought by a white person here, guys. There is. You see when they laugh at us, they say we used to.
usho i-technology ungasicakele wena. How?
Now I'm Dagwelo. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you.
Tell ukuthi i-technology.
Akasibhedela ungwaphi. Awungabhedela ungwaphi. No, you need to deal with ungwaphi.
Ukuthakatha i-technology. Hayi wena basisongasositakela la wena.
Asimthakathi lo.
Abacela baye-Europe basiye sodwa lana negebengu zethu.
Civilization is a pollution. It's poison. Civilization is poison.
I think Queen Elizabeth owns some land there.
As a Zulu person, I'm saying that you liked what Shaka Zulu did to my ancestors. Do you like
Listen
it?
here, don't talk about
Answer my
Shaka.
question. Do you like what Shaka Zulu did to the Sotus? Do you like what Shaka Zulu did to the Sotus? And you call that good?
Caesar sisikhayini hayi.
Zero, answer my question. Answer my question.
Ulama sisikhayini.
Ushaka Zulu was terrorizing people here. Is that what you call civilization?
Hi guys.
Yes.
Hello guys, okay, I'll go in after Kaini.
Ya Kaini awudile nabo uthula nabo.
Wafika nabelungu lana. How sure you would go
You are working for Abelungu.
Yeah.
Oksala, you're working for Abelungu. They
Okay,
pay
let
your
us
salary,
give
they
each
pay your
other
car, they
the
pay your
space to
husband.
speak, guys.
Yes, they pay everything for you.
Ngwaphi awumancane ngwaphi ngeke. Sisikhayini uyasibhedela ngwaphi uyasibhedela.
Okay, Kwape, let me talk about historically. Yes, historically the white government implemented apartheid, isn't it? You agree with that, Kwape?
Repeat the question, Mama.
Historically, the white government implemented apartheid.
What do you mean, white government?
The white government.
Abelungu isitha, abelungu hayi
Yes,
uthini lo?
abelungu.
Are you saying
Yes.
all
So
white?
now, do you
all white
agree
people?
with that or not? That they implemented apartheid, a system that discriminated against black people, denying them basic rights and opportunities.
No.
Yes or no? It's a yes or no answer.
No.
Okay, they forced also. I can put it like how that they denied voting rights. Do you know that?
It was good. Black people don't know what to vote for.
Oh my God. Okay, they limited access to education and jobs.
You are still having the same jobs you had 75 years ago. Still.
Huh?
Yes.
So the segregations,
You all are
the segregations in public.
You all are still nurses and teachers that you were in 1982.
Dude, do you know that the boycotts are coming from the whites?
It was good.
The boycott.
It was good.
Yes. I mean,
No,
since black people have been allowed
okay.
to,
I know. Listen, Mwape.
yes.
Listen, Mwepe.
No, give Kaine a chance to talk.
Sevana.
Let me finish.
No, we taught you how to
Listen to
bath.
umuntu omdala. Listen to umuntu omdala. Yes.
Lalela Mwepe. naningakwazi ukuhlamba manifika la ithina esinifundise ukuhlamba naningazi lutho ngokwakha amabhilidi agriculture naningazi ngayo medicine architecture science and technology we taught you Europeans. Go back to Europe. Go there and make noise there.
What is the
Right now,
oldest city in Africa?
You can't go to Cape Town. Where you originate is Europe.
Listen,
Cape Town is our town, is our country. You need to go back to your own country where you're coming from.
No, stop
Macron,
judging him,
ask
please.
me.
Now,
Listen. Go and ask Macron right now. He's crying. You know, he's fearing his life that he will be removed from power because they were living from Africa. They were lighting their streets from Africa. Everything they are doing from Africa. Go back to your country. Go back to Europe. We don't need you. We'll come and chase you there in Cape Town. You think you are safe when you are in Cape Town? That is not your place. Go back to your place where you belong. You understand? Nanifika la nisinukisala ngamasende ningakwazi ukuhlamba nina. Go back to Europe. Manje sinifundisa ukuhlamba. You think you are better now. Go back.
Go back where?
Go back where you originate. You coming from Europe. And you are not black. You just said that you are not black. Europeans, go back to Europe. Go to Netherlands.
But yes, it's fine.
All of you. We come to Cape Town. Cape Town is not your territory. It is our territory.
Now we
go back to Europe.
Our shared goal. No. In nowadays, guys.
Wait, kind
now
let me answer his question.
We've acknowledged our shared goals.
But let me respond to him.
We should focus also on moving forward together. Remember? And
the way forward
I've been quiet.
That's the way forward.
Yeah, I've been quiet.
That's the way forward.
That's the way forward. Can we take the BMW?
Can I ask a question? No.
Can we take the
take your Mercedes-Benz, take your Volvo, take your Maserati, take everything.
Can I ask, please?
We blacks, we built the first aeroplane. Everything that you see, even Washington D.C., was designed by a black person. You don't know. Go back to Europe, where you're coming from.
Go back, go back.
Cool, man. You must go and.
So can I ask a question
you sound
quickly?
like old and you sound so old and uninformed.
Mr. Ngwepe. Yeah, you know, Mr. Ngwepe. Wait. It's so painful when I listen. Umuntu Mdala, and Umuntu Mdala, he's not being truthful. He says a black man invented the airplane. What airplane did a black man ever invent? Like, and then he says
I thought you are advanced and you are learned. If you don't know that. Then if you don't know that, you must come to be schooled by us Africans. You understand, Ngwepe?
Give us a chance to talk.
Ngwepe, let me tell you. That ignorance you are displaying will eventually kill you. Will eventually kill even the legacy you're trying to build. The one that you want to build in Cape Town. We are coming for you in Cape Town.
Cape Town is teaching you.
Can you please speak?
Umtom Dala is teaching you.
You understand?
But Zero, Umtom Dala is not telling the truth.
This Madala is useless.
Umtom Dala is the only one who's telling the truth.
No,
Nina, you just don't want to listen. You just don't want to listen, Nina.
Mr. Ngwepe.
Yeah,
wait,
so my question is... Yeah.
Listen to Max. No, let's listen to Max.
Please. Let the one man speak.
Mr.
Yeah,
Reds,
put your Max, you can speak.
Mr. Reds and also Mr. Ngwepe, I've been listening to you nikhuluma lana ne. Nayi into sifuna kunitshela yona uma ngaba nazi. Belungu bafika eSouth Africa bathola ama khoisans ne. Abazanga belungu baba initiatives of South Africa. Nibokhumbula ukuthi belungu bafika eSouth Africa bathola eSouth Africa rich in minerals. Nina as white supporters ne abelungu bathi bona ba discoverishe ama minerals in South Africa. Ayikho into by discover South Africa. Something that has been discovered, something that has never existed. Someone came up
came up with it. So abelungu bafika eMzansi Afrika ne bathatha izinto zabantu abamnyama. South Africa belongs to black people. South Africa belongs to Khoisans. Abantu bebephila eSouth Africa, abantu kukudala bephila ngesinto sobuntu bebantu labamnyama. Ngiyangizwa madoda. So nina ningasitsheli into yenu ukuthi nina sizovotela iDA sizothi umlungu kwasa kwacema. Uma ngabe nibona ukuthi South Africa ayikho safe because yabantu bamnyama, thwalani into zenu nihambe nibuyele eEurope. Abantu bamnyama bayakwazi usurvive without you white people. Ningabe sijwayela kabi nina.
Yeah, thank you.
Interfere very quick.
Wait.
Let's give it a chance.
So yes. Well, thank you very much. Yazi, guys, into ngifuna is that I love white people. I love white people. I love them. I love white people. And I want more white people to come to South Africa, to give us jobs, to work in the farm.
No. Don't even start. Don't.
No, but I'm not done. Wait, allow me to finish. Allow me to finish. Sokales. You know, the white people to come here to give us jobs, to give us an education, because we black people, we have failed. You know, the government gave black people farms, and the farms are not even working. Why? Because umuntu omnyama doesn't know how to farm. Umuntu omnyama doesn't know how to make food. Umuntu omnyama, I mean, you give umuntu omnyama. No, but man,
we give a chance to talk,
wait.
man. How? Keep quiet, Joel.
Yeah, give us a chance.
How?
Ayi wena ngeke wena sikhathele ngeke.
Wait, so guys, are you saying ukuhlakanipha it has something to do with color, race or something? Is that what you're implying, guys? I don't understand.
No, what I'm implying, Andile, what I'm saying is that umuntu omnyama has been given farms. What have umuntu omnyama done with the farms? Nothing. The only people who are productive, who are giving us food on the farms.
What farms have we been given?
Abelungu are the best farmers in the world.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine, Red.
Can I?
It's fine, but there are some things that you need to understand why things are
is
the way
it
they
true
are.
or is it false that the Boers are the best farmers? But let's be factual about this.
Yeah, wait, it's fine.
No, but
it's
answer
fine.
the question: is it true or is it false?
It's fine. Siyakuzwa, yeah.
Is it
But you need
true
to
or is it
understand
false,
there's a
brother?
reason. There's a reason why things are the way they are.
I'm not asking about that. I'm asking whether it's true or false.
I'm also... Sorry?
Is it true that
Please repeat your question?
Is it true, Ogoti, the Boers are the best farmers in the world? Is it true or false?
It's false, obviously.
It's false.
What do you mean? Okay, let me tell you why.
Who is the
you
best?
ask me. Let me tell you why I'm saying what I'm saying.
This guy is a liar, yo.
Can I tell you why I'm saying what I'm saying?
It's false.
I know black.
Even the people in my comments are telling you what your statement is false. The answer is false.
Truly is false, because back in the days, we used to have our crops without height. No. Thina besinawo ama-crops ethu sizitshalela sizivunela without imshini, without i-help yase-Europe, without izinto abangasiza ngazo. Manje you can't say wena uthi ama-white wona adominatayo kuma-farms, because vele ngeke sikwazi ukudominata, because ama-resources siyancishwa wona. We are not giving resources to what ukuthi sisebenze ngawo sikwazi ukuthi sibe nento zethu. Manje when you are saying like white are dominating in this industry of farms, which is totally wrong, because even us, if uzo emakhaya, there are farms abantu abamnyama, but awanawo just because umuntu omnyama. You see, manje please ungazi nje uyiqale leyo, ungayiqali please.
So what do you mean they don't have power because of abantu bamnyama? Are you saying that they cannot produce the same food that the Boers are producing because they are black?
No, we can, but the resources, I'm talking about the resources.
Why are you not producing if you can?
We can, but the resources.
Oh, the
Don't you hear
resources.
me?
Okay, I hear you. So we don't have resources, né? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, we are
I
not given
understand.
resources.
Oh no, it
I
makes
can
sense
understand,
now.
Lord.
Okay,
I
it's
can
fine. Zero
understand.
wait. I hear his point, which is a very good point. Black people cannot produce more food than the whites because they don't have the enough resources, right, Soka?
Yes.
So which means that the whites are producing more food than the blacks at the moment.
Can
But
I
this thing
speak
goes
Because
back
they
to
have the
where the land.
resources.
Yes, but then
Because they
yes,
have resources.
I
Yes, we can
agree.
say
But
that.
then,
Who are working in
yes, I
those
agree.
farms?
I
Abobani
agree.
abasebenzayo kulawo
Wait,
Yeah,
mafama.
let me
white
finish
people
this
Good
have the
question.
talk.
No,
farms.
baba
Black people
sebenza
have
farms.
Abobani
No,
abasebenzayo
let me
kulawo mafama.
finish.
Wape, ubana
I'm
basebenza
not against your
farms.
point because I
Reds.
agree, but here's my
Who's working in
point.
the farms?
I agree. It's fine. So the
So white
blacks.
people are not the best.
Wait, my
They're
sister.
just using
I'm
us.
finishing my point.
Agree with
So
us. So you're agreeing that white people are not the
Ngibuza ukuthi
best.
mina abobani
wait.
abasebenza kulawo
You're
mafama
not giving
ngoba
me a
wena
chance to
uthi.
talk, manje. I'm not on the point of who's working there. We are trying to see where's the
Uthi
problem. Wait, I'm
cha
not
shemu
getting
ungaphe
you.
shemu uyabhora yo
Wait,
yadina nje.
ngiyacela, please.
Hayi.
Beno reds, ungashiya
Soka,
reds.
Soka, you
No
saying
rats
ukuthi
naye. And mina
my
ngicabanga
sister, but
ukuthi nje uReds
ngiyakhuluma kanti
uwumlungu
yini
nje
inkinga
naye lo.
yakho, my sister? Ngiyakhuluma phela
Kanti
bo.
umntomnyama ungwapho uyiphikile uthi umntomnyama,
So
which is the
my
most
question
disgusting
Uthini
is,
into
manje?
nayizo umntomnyama. It was the most
Uziphikile vele.
uyiphikile. It
Angisho
was so
shirani ukuthi uwumlungu.
disgusting.
Manje,
Uthi
man,
nje
I want to
umntomnyama.
ask you a specific question.
I'm
Ngifuna
not done with
ukubuza
you,
umbuzo.
Soka. Let's finish my point. We agree with blacks are not doing the most because they lack resources, right? Which is what the government should be addressing, Yvonne. Fine, I agree. So tell me, Soka, who should give the blacks resources to farm? Keep it. It's fine. We can move.
Can I say
Let's
something?
repeat the question, Baba.
Wait,
Okay.
Mafa, please. Can we get a
Are
chance,
you
please?
going to
Yeah,
answer the
reds.
I've been very,
question?
Mr. Ngwepe.
Uthini reds? What are you saying?
Yeah, just a quick one. Listen to this.
I must be honest. It pains me every time I drive past the once renowned Zebediela citrus farm, seeing it in its hollow state, failing to rise from the ashes. Do we feel better now?
So Zebedela farm was a farm that costed 500 million that was given to Umuntomnyama. But hi, Umuntomnyama, they drank it, they spent it on slave queens, and now the farm is not working. Umuntomnyama is just embarrassing us. Mr. Ngwepe, what do you have to say about this?
Mashandu. Uthini?
Rats, no. You can't blame a black person
There's
from
a
everything.
king, there's a man by
Crime
the
here
name
came
of
because
Hayi baba ngifuna
Uthini
ukuyingena
Mashandu?
ngoba nje nami nje ungibona nje. Hayi ngimnyama ngaphandle maka ngaphakathi. Hayi ngimhlophe baba.
Now mhlophe ma. In what way,
Hayi
mama?
ngimhlophe baba.
Kanjani?
Hayi
Now mama
ngimhlophe baba.
uyaspeaker. Why you so jolly?
I'm
No.
only black outside,
No,
but
uthini?
inside. Hayi baba.
Yini no show you see about 500. What about 500 bonke kusho Why you so
Thula,
jolly now?
I always tell abantu emsebenzini kokuqala ukuthi I like even umntana omlungu. Umntana omlungu. Wait. Let me finish. Let me finish. Thula, ngikhuluma nguMashandu yebo kodwa yey. Umlungu, like we can learn from abelungu. We understand, but we fail ukuthi sifunde kubo. We understand. So what I like about them, even like umntana umlungu, mangabe like umthumile, makabuya uzothi thank you, ngiyabonga. And makaqela uthi may you please. Bakhula nalento even noma sabangama boss wethu.
Ujabuliso thank you.
Okay.
Ujabuliso thank you, ngiyabonga.
Thank you nje phela.
No, let me
Ujabuliso
finish.
thank you.
Whoa, no. Ubuntu. Umntwana ukhula, umntwana emele akhula nalento leyo. Aze abe yiboss. Umuntu uyacela, umuntu uyabonga. Umuntu omnyama kanayo lento
guys.
Ha!
Hayibo.
Self-hater, I'm so disappointed. Kanjani?
I'm so disappointed.
How dare you?
That's
And
not
into
good.
eshayo ukuthi
Zero, do you see that you black people are just good at making noise?
you people.
You black people.
Wena ngwedwa thina ngwedwa.
Let's cause them and
How
just
much
stress.
these boys paid you to self-hate your own people?
Uthe you black people manje ungwaphi? Uthi ungwaphi you black people?
This is so disgusting to hear you
Not my people.
speaking nonsense against
so-
your own people.
You see,
Yes.
when you
Mr.
argue,
Ngwebe.
Zero, when you argue with white
Mr.
people, they
Ngwebe.
say
No, Yazin, no, Yazin,
You are
no,
Nkosi
no.
yami. Ngicela ukukhuluma.
You know, Mr.
Ngiyacela
Ngwebe.
simute. Ngiyacela sonke simute.
Yeah.
Mashandu,
Kancane.
we're gonna listen to you, ne? Ngiyaxolisa ukumute. Please continue. This is interesting. Ngiyacela please unmute Mashandu. Sizokulalela mawami uzuqede ngesikuphazamise. We will not disturb
Nakaqeda
you. again.
uMashandu ngicela ukumbuza.
Siyacela please buya, please come back ukhulume. Siyaxolisa ngokumute.
Nami
Sizokulalela
ngicela
manje
ukubuza.
soba u500. Yes, we're
Yeah.
gonna listen to you,
Nami
Ma.
ngicela
Please
ukubuza.
continue. I'm sorry for muting you. Please come back. I'm trying to unmute you. You ngazi ngalimala. Ngalingwa hayi namhlanje. Mashandu, please come back.
Yeah, Zero, quickly, before she...
Oh, she's back.
okay, she's back.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please continue.
Baba.
Yes, mom.
Into
Yes.
engishoyo ne. Umuntu omtsundu, umuntu omnyama. Njoba ngisho ukuthi umlungu kokuqala uyakuqela. And lento yokucela bazalwa nayo. May you please nokubonga. Bazalwa nayo, bakhula nayo noma bangama bosses ethu emsebenzini. Umlungu uyacela, umlungu uyabonga. Number 1. Number 2, ema-clinics wethu nakuma home affairs. Yes, kumnandi is a walking distance to ama home affairs, to clinics. You can name those things lezi ezinceda umphakathi ama walking distance. But since umlungu angekho kulama fatalities lawo, i-service is very poor. Into engihlezi ngisho ngithi okay fine siyabonga is a walking distance, but because ipilisi lomuntu umlungu sicela umlungu oyi-1 ozokhona ukuthi acontrole ini i-staff, because la umlungu vela ngekho khona i-service yakhona is very 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 poor. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo? And futhi another thing I want to ask, I don't know, but I want to ask ukuthi back then ngendaba zabo Shaka, who killed uShaka? And after ngitholile i-answer, uShaka before umoya uphuma enyameni, uShaka wathini ebantwini? Wathi noma ningangibulala okusalayo lelizwe ngike nize nilibuse, lizobuswa yilaba beindlebe ezikhanyilanga, right? Uyangizwa baba?
Ngiyakuzwa mawami. We're just waiting for
Yeah.
you to uqede.
Okay.
Uqede.
Another thing engizuswa ubuhlungu ngalendlela.
Nami
During-
ngibuhlungu nami kwimanje.
Yes, during those days dala bongeke uthole abantwana estradeni during school hours. Ungazi ukuthi bayenzani estradeni. Those days the time ekusaphethe labaya bendlebe ezikhanyilanga bongeke uthola abantwana. But these days ubathola kuwo wona lama park abathi basenzele wona as umphakathi. Mina I'm the one umam ongakhona ukuyeka abantwana mangibabona emaphakini. Ngihlezi ngithethe whether ngiyamazi or angimazi. We understand. So but manje ngiyabona ukuthi no, back then yonke lento le bengekho. Umntwana nomntana bakabe esikolweni. Even ema home affairs I always said ukuthi at least noma i-DA ingaphatha yonke home affairs so that igate lase South Africa, because I always tell myself ukuthi i-home affairs igate lase South Africa, at least kuzoba nomlungu, igate lethu lizoba safe. Uyayibona lento le. So nje mina guys, I'm sorry but nje umlungu umlungu man for mina angisho abanye abantu, nami ngibona the way ngibona ngakhona. Even nasemsebenzini our canteen we joined but abelungu baze baphuma to our canteen because of ubuhlaso obukhona ukunqola okukhona the way senza ngakhona izinto to enkantini yethu abelungu bagcina baphuma bayenzani badlele emotweni zabo. Even here in location they can say maybe we can exchange amasabab abelungu bazela to our location thina sambe siye town but still i-town sizophendula ilokishi lizongcola ngalendlela ilokishi abelungu they will clean kube nje ngalendlela. So guys, no, let's us teach abantwana bethu so that it could be better than us. Bafunde from kubo abelungu guys. I think kuzoba better.
Ngeke sifunde from abelungu.
I think kuzoba better. Yes.
Ngeke sifunde from
abelungu.
We can't.
Umlungu even emsebenzini ne makazocela something knowing ukuthi we are not supposed to do that. Uzocela like ngendlela epolite right. And makaqeda lapho ngelunch uzoza kuwe azokunika maybe cold drink or a chocolate ukuthi you know last ngicela 1 2 3
Jabulisa i-chocolates. Jabulisa i-chocolates. Benza thousands of rands. Jabulisa i-chocolates man.
Umuntu omnyama
ubuntu ubani hlupheka ubani ubuntu hlupheka as the black community ubuntu ubani
management yakhe uyenza i-crown.
I-management yakhe sizosebenzela belungu kube yinini. That's the problem. Asibafuna o-chocolates babo thina.
Mina ngicela ukubuza kuMashandu, ngicela ukubuza.
Okay.
Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uMashandu usebenza khona nebalungwini.
No, let me tell you again, ngisebenza e-retail e-Shoprite in the location. Hence why I'm saying it's good to have izinto e-location so that kuzoba i-walking distance. But for the fact ukuthi umlungu akekho lapho, ngisebenza e-Shoprite in the location.
Okay. So i-respect wena oyibone yenziwa yingane zabelungu ile wena ekubona ukuthi ekwenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi abelungu abantu aba-right. Thina mosemakhaya siyafundiswa inhlonipho. Ngazi ukuthi mina inhlonipho uyifundiswa umzali muyingane.
Lavi.
Ngazi lokho mina.
Mashando ngicela ukubuza la.
No. Telling Brazil, guys. Can I ask?
Yeah, Reds.
Mashando, Bega's Tombe Sami, ne? Because Bena Ngiyakhala. Ngiyakhala because you are so honest and you are speaking the truth. And Ayazi, it makes my heart cry because black people are always lying about our white people that we love so much. They always paint them to be evil people. And you and I both know, Uguti, Abelungu, they are full of love. They are full of compassion. They are full of Ubuntu. And Ayazi, Zero. So as I was saying, so that was why
Zero.
Yeah. So Zero. Zero and the final one. Look at Mwepe. Look at what Obut Mwepe. Abantu Mnyama. They are stealing. They are taking everything. Look at that. Umuntu Mnyama burning everything down. And I just want to say that.
Can I say something, please? I can't take this no more.
Can I say something? No, but it's my turn. But it's my turn.
Guys,
Mr. Red, look at Ubuntu.
Hi, guys.
Ubuntu ba is stupid.
Ubuntu
is the reason why we are here. Ubuntu is the reason why
we don't have a robot right now. Mina ngihlala e-Israel. Ngihlala eKatlehong mina. We used to ukuthi sibe nama robot like robot after robot, but right now because abantwana bethu babhema lento abayibhemayo basusa ama robot. Umlungu uthini uthi okay fine.
That's why bekumele ufundise ingane yakhe inhlonipho ukuthi nayo iyazi ukuthi iqhakamisa kumelanga izidle inhlonipho leyo.
Uma ufuna
I don't mean mine.
Ujabulele chocolate asibafuna chocolate babo. Asibafuni
Now let me
lesibanga
mind.
thina.
Mina abantwana bami they well educated ba-right abantwana bami. Ngikhulumela
Can I say
environment
something?
enguyo. And you must know ukuthi it takes a
Abantwana
village
bakho
to raise a
ba-right,
child.
abantwana bakho
When I'm
bayahlonipha
saying
abantwana bakho.
abantwana, I'm not saying abantwana bami engibazalayo. Bear in mind. Ngisho abantwana from abantu abamnyama. I'm not saying my bare child. Angithi abantwana bami engibazele. Abantwana bami mina
Can I say something, please?
Queen khuluma and then mase siyakubhuta omdala umhlengi. He has been
I'm so
waiting.
disappointed, Zero, in the panel. I'm very disappointed. Izinto ezikhulunywa abantu bakithi. I'm
Listen to
abroad.
the accent of the white people.
Wait!
Listen to
No
the accent of the
interruption,
white
please.
person.
Wape awusiyeke awume
Oh my
I'm
awume.
abroad
Ay,
right
ay,
now.
awusiyeke.
I'm abroad and I'm so disappointed by Nina abantu
Why
bakithi
wakhuluma isiZulu manje? Ukhuluma
about.
isiNgisi.
Hang on, I need to say something.
Because
Mina
you want to
ngidlala
say
Queen, you can
in
speak.
America.
intellectual way? Because you want
I'm
to say
here
something.
in America, and if you
Yeah.
guys know the amount of pain our black people are going through, you'll not say
Thank
garbage
you.
as you are saying right now. Our people are being killed by the system of white supremacy every day. I'm here abroad. I'm fighting the system of white supremacy by myself. And then you guys speak nonsense. Do you know what these white devils that you are protecting? They've been giving our black children to alligator bait. Do you know that?
Which
Do
country
you
did you
know
go
what
to?
a white
Did you
person,
go to?
white people went all over the world
Which
to rob,
country did you go
steal,
to,
kill, and
Vanessa?
destroy? Do you know that? And then you
Which
are
country
defending
did you
white
go
people.
to?
Hey, stop it. You are defending white people? You
Which
are so
country did you
should be
go
ashamed of
to?
yourself.
I'm
How
asking you a
much did they
question.
pay you? How much did they pay you to sell
Which
your own
country
people?
did you go to?
Huh? I'm in America.
Oh my goodness, you went to the white country.
The very same people that you are defending.
Oh
The very
my
same people you are
goodness.
defending.
Oh
Like,
my
right?
goodness. You went to the country with the bad people? Oh my
How much did they
goodness.
pay you to sell
Oh
hateful
my
weapons?
God.
How much?
Mr.
Why
Ed.
didn't you
How
listen?
much did
Why
they
didn't
pay
Pay
you?
you.
Mr. Wepe?
How much did they pay
Mr.
you?
Wepe?
Oh
He
my
even
goodness.
denied what he's
Uh,
black.
Yes,
He even
Ahmad,
said
my
he's
you
not
question.
black.
are so
Wait,
must
hey,
be very
Queen.
disappointed.
You
Queen.
went to the black people? I mean, you went to the white people that you hate? Oh my God.
Mr.
Oh,
Wepe,
I'm so
my
sad.
question. Wait, my question is, why didn't she go to a black nation? Why didn't she go to Nigeria? Why a white country? Yeah,
Mhlengi, put
she
Mhlengi
hates
Guys,
so
white.
that's so petty of
She
you. That's so petty.
Yeah, very
she
petty.
doesn't like.
Why
No,
did you go to
why
Somalia?
didn't you go to Nigeria?
Or
Sawubona
Somalia?
futhi Mhlengi. Sawubona. Welcome.
Hola, hamba kahle.
Hey, awubafundise mhlawumbe khona bazokuzwa mhlawumbe bazokudlalela wena. Yo.
Ake ngiqale nje lapha phezulu kumama lapha uMashando. Mina uyangiphoxa lento ayenzayo. Uyangiphoxa because awukwazi ukuthi uwumuntu wesifazane uzothi ujabulela ingane yomunye umuntu ukuthi iyahlonipha. How much wena fanele ufundisa eyakhe ingane irespect nasifunda emakhaya. Irespect kusuke kumzali ohlulekile enganeni yakhe ngoba ezojabulela uchocolate babelungu. Ngidluleke lapho ngiyanizwa nibeka udaba lo abelungu beza ne attitude wrong lama siqala sibuka yonke lento le beza ne system ekuqaleni. They brought a system ekuqaleni to convince umuntu omnyama kunje nje yinxa yabo. Ngiyavala lapho.
What do you feel about this, my brother? Uzizwa kanjani ngale nto le? We bonadla. Look, black people, what the fuck? Black people. How do you feel as a black person?
Yeah,
Guys, how do you feel as
a
black
black? Wait, Mr. Ngwepe, as a black person, I am a black person. I feel ashamed when I see my fellow black people doing this. In fact, you know what? I no longer want to be a black person. I don't want to be a black person. Look at that. Look at that. All they do is destroy.
Mr. Red.
All they
Mr.
do
Red.
is
He doesn't
destroy.
want to be a black person.
Yeah.
Uti, you don't.
Mr.
You
Red,
just
they
said you
said
don't
that
want
they
to be
want to
black.
be educated, ne? And we said, come, go to. I mean, the white people built the universities. What did they do to the university that we gave them?
Sangwape, they burnt it down. Fort Hare University, they burn it down. They do all sorts of crazy things, these black people. I'm no longer black. I don't want to be part of these criminals. I don't want to do that. I am a person who respects the laws, who abides by the Constitution. Black people, look at that. They are stealing. They are throwing stones.
Constitution.
Chaos. I can't do this anymore. No.
I don't know anymore. But Matsomela, you can speak. Angazi. I have nothing to say to Reds, Umashantu, Ungwape anymore. Angazi. But Matsomela, are you still there? Okay, let's go to SCM. Put them down high. I'm sure uningi that you wanna say.
Sanibonani bantu bakithi abansundu. I'm also disturbed here by the guys that are saying all these things. Kuyasho ukuthi research abayenzanga. You cannot look at the picture and conclude picture. You must.
Wait.
You must also check.
Are you saying Skelet didn't ban the Fort Hare?
No. Let me finish. Let me finish, my brother.
No, show us the video. Play the video, Mr. Ngwepe.
No, wait.
Yes.
Let's fix this.
Don't talk like a child, brother. Don't talk
Let's
like a
fix
child.
the attitude first. Let's fix this attitude.
But then you said that we shouldn't believe the video. What is
my
this?
brother.
What's happening here? Is this a movie?
I'm on the platform.
Yes, but then answer my question. Is this a movie?
You wanna ask me a question after?
No, Matika serious way. How?
Let me make the statement. Let us refrain from.
Let him speak.
Let us refrain from this mentality to say black people. You go to California, in the prison of California, you will see more white people than black people. So it's not a matter of black people or white people. The majority, because we are majority, and it's been proven that the white people in Tabayenza right now, because they've been investors of South Africa, they've been looting. What they are doing is to close all the companies so that black people will starve. This is done deliberately. Don't tell me about Cape Town. People that are in Cape Town, Boma Camps Bay, wherever you go, those people are not just working there. They own businesses. They inherited apartheid legacy and they move there because they have money. So then they make sure that they keep that what the black people don't come to Cape Town. Now, our prices are high. Let me go back to a question before about the farms and stuff like that. Currently, Sinama market. The market is dominated by white people because the systems that they put there, the requirement for you as the farmer to go and put your product in that market, it's so difficult. Can you be protected? Zero, can you be protected?
Sorry,
It's so difficult for black people to take their product to the market simply because the system, the requirements are not easily met. Now you cannot say white people this, white people that. They created that for themselves by excluding us. And then 1994, no reparations were made. What happened is that now let's join the race where others are forward. For us to join the race whereby we don't have the means. For an example, there are people that black people that wants to start good businesses. For them to start those businesses, they need millions to acquire the land for them to start that kind of business. White people, the grandfather has got the land. The grandfather just say, you know what, I will give you a piece of my land, or I will sell my land or a portion of my land and fund you. We don't have that. We don't have that, my brother. Everything that you see happening in South Africa, it is because of people are poor. People don't have money. The system was made so that we, even after apartheid, it was deliberately made so that we don't get back up on our feet as easily as white people. So whatever you see, riots that are happening, those people are people that are just remember that in each and every continent, in each and every country, whether black or white, they are criminals, and they see opportunity to do criminal activities. So you don't just say black people. No, go to a white dominated country and go to the prison. You will see white people.
Okay,
So
I'm here in the
just
United
move
States of
away.
America.
Just move
Yes.
away from that
I'm
mentality.
I'm
Move away
here,
from
sir.
that mentality.
I'm
We
here.
were
Read. Fine.
denied human rights. We were denied to
Read.
have things. We were denied to make choices that should actually empower us. We were
Yes.
limited. You cannot
Read
say
here,
because of
brother.
the
Read.
color of your skin, you are not allowed to own land. And
Okay.
the distinction is the color of your skin. And then now you come a couple of years and then you say, I love white people. Before you love white people, the legacy that they created for us, we are still suffering from their legacy that enriched themselves. And also by enriching themselves, they made us poor. And then now, because of the system that they created after apartheid, remember this system was not created by black people, it was created by white people. That's why the CODESA conference was there to make sure that the system remains the same. It was made sure for that the system remains the same. So you cannot come now and glorify white people that have benefited because of our tears, because of our misfortune, or because of our oppression. They are for them to progress, they had to make sure that we do not progress. And after
Exactly.
that,
I'm sorry, keep up with them. I'm gonna bring you back. I just want to give everyone a chance to speak before Ngvali live. But the thing that I think Reds, Umashandu, Nongwape fail to understand is the systematic racism that is going on and that is targeting abantu abamnyama, that is making sure ukuthi we stay down. And bona, they fail to understand logo because they love isita so much and they believe ukuthi yonke into ephuma kwisita is gold. And iliyonto engicika kunakho konke, that is the part that destroys me ngaphakathi. It really, really does. It really does. Hey.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Zero. I think the previous speaker just lied. He said that in America, white people commit crime more than the black people. Mr. Previous speaker, can you please tell me what percentage of black people is in America as versus of white people?
Mr. Ngwape, it's gone. Mr. Ngwape.
Yeah, he's.
Let's go to
Mr. Ngwape, you ready
Mashad.
to use the system? Baba.
Yes,
Ngicela
yes, ma'am.
ukukhuluma. Ngicela ukukhuluma.
Okay.
Uyabona enye into ebuhlungu ngomuntu omnyama yini? Umuntu omnyama before azoqala ibhizinisi lakhe, ihomework yakhe akayenzi. Akanandaba nama seasonal. Ukuthi le business lakhe ngesizini eso izabe ku stage esiso. Ngesizini eso izabe ku stage esiso. Ibhizinisi lakhe mali reach those zokuthi he or she akayenza imali. Uzoyenza i-excuse kini nina abasebenzi ukuthi you have seen imvulinile. Imali yenu angeke ibe isalary eso. We have seen azange siproduce so because of iweather. We understand. So umlungu always makazoqala ibhizinisi uyenza make sure ukuthi ezinye izinto uzihambela phambili. Ukuthi like ubeka izinto zakhe ukuthi zibe phambili ukuthi makwenzeka ukuthi isizini ngoba azi ukuthi le business lakhe ngesizini eso ngeke ihambe, but wenza make sure ukuthi abantu bakhe angeke bahlukumezeke. We understand that even nalena yama farm stocking umlungu uyazi ukuthi ngesizini eso inkomo emele zibe kuzuku situation eso, ngesizini eso kuzabe kungana kudla. And then wenza make sure ukuthi inkomo emele zihlale zinokudla ngendlela eso.
Okay. I've heard enough. Right, man. Busis. Yeah, what's up, one?
I'm sorry, my child. I blame you. This is the second time I come into your life. I am blaming you. This life is supposed to educate our people. This life is not a life that is supposed for you to accept people that are degrading our people. We've already got that. That is enough. We've been degraded at work. We've been degraded at malls. We've been degraded at the houses that we buy. We are in Cape Town. We are buying a 35 square meter flat over 500,000 in Cape Town. So we've been degraded already. For you, Zero, to accept these people to come into this platform and still continue to degrade our people, it is your fault. You are the driver of this thing. This is the second day I'm coming across your life, and you've accepted Ungwape, you've accepted Ray, whatever, and you continue to entertain them, and you continue to give them airtime. You continue to give them space. Why? In your videos that you post, there's educational things that you post that you're supposed to be engaging our people with for this airtime now. You're supposed to be giving our people that opportunity to ask questions. Uguti, maybe they don't understand some of the things that you've posted. Now is an opportunity for you to elaborate, to go further, to go more, to go deeper, to go down the road. But instead of you doing that, you are accepting people that you know for a fact that those people will come here and come and degrade us. Imagine someone saying to you in your life, I'm not black, I don't wanna be black. How do you accept people that hate themselves in the platform of black people? What are you saying to us about you? What message are you giving us about you, the driver of this thing? What are you giving? What message are you giving? You know, so the platform, I don't know what you've created it for. That's another thing. If you created it for us to be rage baited, then that's the problem. Because now those people are rage baiting us. They're not really coming up with
Ngiyakuzwa ma. Yazi, I've tried to give these people a platform hoping ukuthi they would change. Because Lana, we are not here to discriminate anyone. We are here to give everyone a chance to speak, hoping ukuthi when they voice out their opinions, khona into esofunda kubona. Ngeke sisho ukuthi umuntu because usupport iDA. Ngeke seza la. Fine, ageze lana as long as sizozela ne-knowledge ezosisa phambili. But laba, no matter how much chances we give them, they don't want to change. Kunalokho, we have more people coming on abasupportayo njengoma uMashandu bengiqala ukumbona, but naye she showed me flames uma emdala emngaka, and she said lezi zinto abezisho ezingilimazile nje. And la kule live we do have isitha, they always here, they are always watching nabo. So if ngithi mina ngizolimita i-access to abantu, does that mean mag-request isitha ngeke ngikwazi usifaka? Does that mean ukuthi manje sekumele ngikhethe? Yabo, everyone gets a chance to speak either way. Whether we like it or not, everyone deserves a chance. Angene akhulume. Whether opinion yabo sayithanda asithandi kumele sibalalele. Yabo, that's part of equality. Whether we like it or not. Either way, it was a good life though. It was a good life, and kuningi. Mafakute, I really want you to say something, G. Anything, last words before ngivale live. I'm disappointed live namhlanje, these people. Kosazan, do you want to say anything? Yeah, okay, seems like a piece. I'm disappointed, shame. I'm disappointed. We live namhlanje. Abo Reds, abo go to Mashandu. I feel like hang on, no man. Anyone wants to say my last words before I go? Anyone wants to say these last words, Nyana? Because I have to close. Ha. Nimzwile Mashandu. Ngeke nimzwanga. Ethi nje beku-right. Isitha was the way. It's a lot. Angihamba. Thank you so much.